Hello guys, my name is Ashish and today I'll discuss the typecasting and later on that I'll discuss a special hash function in Solidity language. Okay. So let's make a file named typecasting.sol for Solidity. And yeah, as you already familiar that we just need to comment out the license and pragma Solidity and then version 0.8.0 and we need to start with the contract keyword. And I'm taking the name example. Okay, so basically typecasting is a special process and with the help of typecasting we can convert a specific type to another type. Okay, so let's see with an example. So first of all I'll be making a function. Okay, I'm taking the name typecasting. Okay, and the thing is that I'll make it public and as well as pure because I'm not going and to use any value. Okay, because I'm not gonna modify or read any value from the smart contract. Okay, I'll be I'll work independently within this function. That's why I am using pure function, the pure keyword. Okay, so yeah, so first of all I will typecast. Let's take an example. Like I want to take an unsigned in 8-bit and variable name is a equals let's 10, and we have another variable of unsigned int, the name is b and this value is 15, and basically I want to add this value and want to store within a unsigned int 8 bits. Okay, so I'm taking the name c and just want to add a plus b, but you can see that I'm getting an error that typecast unsigned in 256 it is not implicitly convertible to expected type. Okay, so basically what we need to do, we just need to manually typecast this b because this is unsigned int and I want to store in unsigned int 8 bits, so I just need to manually typecast this to unsigned int 8. Okay, so for that syntax is very simple. We just need to specify unsigned int 8 and within open and close bracket we just need to keep this. Okay, so this is a simple process and you can see I'm getting a warning because I'm not using this variable, that's why this is unused local variable. Okay, so you can ignore that. Okay, so this is a way, and we can also typecast an unsigned integer to a normal integer, signed integer. Okay, so let's say we have a signed integer or normal integer int and we have value, name is value variable name, and I want to typecast this b into this value. Okay, so if I simply use b then I'll be getting an error that typecast convert the implicit convertible is not possible, so I just need to manually typecast this. So yeah, the simple unsigned int okay, not unsigned int, I just need to, okay, my bad, I just need to specify the int and in between this I just need to keep this value. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so yeah, now if we talk about, let's say I want to typecast an unsigned integer to a string. Okay, but if I do this with the same procedure, okay, I'll be getting an error. You can see that. Let's string, and I need to use memory keyword also, and let's take the name temp. Okay, and I want to manually typecast this b to string type. Okay, so yeah, this it was the process we are doing. Okay, but you can see that I'm getting an error. Okay, so compiler is not allowing us, okay, to typecast manually in that case. Okay, so yeah, in this case we can use an open library called open zeppelin, okay, to convert unsigned integer to string. Okay, so yeah, you can simply search on google that how to convert this. Okay, like how to convert unsigned integer to a string, okay, in Solidity. So yeah, there is a library, I already said that the name is open zeppelin. Okay, so we just need to import this. Okay, we just need to import this in our file. Okay, so we just need to import this, and the thing, yeah, this is very simple. This is the way we can import this and we don't need to care about this. Okay, our compiler will automatically handle this. Okay, so the name is open zeppelin contracts then utils string.sol. Okay, and we just need to use this method. Okay, the method name is strings.toString, and in between we just need to pass our unsigned integer. Okay, so yeah, we'll be doing the same. So strings dot to string, and in between this we just need to pass our unsigned. Okay, so this is a process we can typecast this. Okay, the thing is that we can't typecast this manually. We just need to take help of the open zeppelin and library. Okay, in that case if we want to typecast our unsigned integer to a string. Okay, so that is typecasting. Okay, and yeah,